Attention, Honda and Acura drivers, your passenger safety might be at risk. There is a Takata airbag inflator safety recall. Sharp metal fragments from airbag explosions have injured and killed vehicle occupants. Come to our free airbag inflator repair event Friday to Sunday, February 7th to February 9th at the Gomes Stadium on Dual Carriageway off O'Meara Road after the Tissue Factory from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Repairs are quick, free, and easy. No appointment necessary. Owners that have repaired completely will qualify to win tickets to Fatima All Inclusive Fete 2020. For more information or to schedule an appointment for another day, call Classic Motors at 625-2277 or 625-4101. At Honda, we care about your safety, so if you or anyone else you know could be driving an effective vehicle, please take action immediately.